everyone, keep watching to see how our 16-year-old transformed this 100-year-old wallpapered and abandoned bedroom into this stunning retreat with a minimal aesthetic vibe. Let's go. So here's the before of Emma's bedroom. It was overall very dirty and dingy. It had pink wallpaper and this yellowish tan trim color. So the first thing Emma did was to remove all of the wallpaper herself with the help of her brother Drew, and she used a wallpaper steamer and lots of arm muscles to scrape all the wallpaper off. And we told the kids if they removed all the wallpaper themselves, they could choose whatever color they wanted to paint their bedroom.
Didn't mind my scars, meant my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain on.
Drew, don't continue spinning. Drew, don't continue spinning.
Yep. Have fun, Lindsay.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine.
So once all of the wallpaper was removed, Emma went through with some sponges and hot water and scrubbed all of the remaining adhesive off of the wall.
Look at my shoes. Oh my gosh. I've been working with this tiny sponge.
When?
When I work.
Yeah, what is that?
Not very often. Help me.
You're not doing anything. You're literally not doing anything.
Think about how exciting it's going to be though when it's done.
Ooh, exciting.
It'll be beautiful and you'll know that you did it.
Rob went through the room and patched all of the cracks and holes. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay and welcome to our DIY Dutch Colonial. We're making over this historic Dutch Colonial home one room at a time, and today we're in Emma's room. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. This video is sponsored by Clare Paint. It is an online paint company. They have interior, exterior, they have gallon and quart size. They have a wide range of trending colors and you can order them online like I mentioned earlier, and it gets shipped right to your front door. Clare Paint really makes the paint process so simple. Not only do they have quality paint, but it is stress-free. Because let's face it, we could all use one less trip to the hardware store in the middle of a huge DIY project. I will leave all of the links for Clare Paint down in the description box below, including their website, the colors that we use, and their social media handles. Emma scrubbed all of the trim with a mixture of bleach and water, and then we painted the trim. This was truly a family affair with the color Whipped. And this is the same color that we're using for the trim throughout the house.
Let me get this side.
You look very evil right now.
Emma in her Christmas outfit. Oh my gosh, Merry Christmas.
Emma also used the trim color to paint a bulletin board. Emma also painted her vanity in the color Current Mood, and this is a very dark, slightly bluish green. And this vanity came from Emma's grandma. So So the walls are actually the same color as the vanity, current mood, and we used Clare Paint's super fluffy roller covers, roller, and extension pole to paint the walls. We did 2 coats, and Emma's friend Maddie came over to help out.
I feel like the room is shrinking. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I messed it up!
It was supposed to be super satisfying.
Do you like geckos? Yeah, they're cute. I've never been puked on before. Lucky. I've been puked on.
Not only did the girls scrape in between the floorboards with toothpicks to clean the floor, but Emma also mopped the floor several times to get all of the construction dust out of the room. Rob did a lot of electrical work on the 3rd floor. It had the old knob and tube wiring. Now for the moment Emma was waiting months for, and that was to move her belongings back into her room. Emma pretty much did this room all by herself. We did give her some guidance and directions, but she really spearheaded this project, and it was a lot of work, especially for a 16-year-old. So we are really, really proud of her. We saved a few elements of the room design for the very end so that some parts of it would be a surprise for her. So let's wrap up this room makeover and then do the big reveal.
Oh, this is gonna be so filthy. Is there a cover for it?
No.
I feel like it's already dirty.
Filthy. Don't get it dirty.
All the wood's from different parts of the house. This wood here is from the demo we did in the laundry room. This wood here is from an old bed frame. This wood here is from the butler's pantry.
And then you're gonna put pallet boards on the front, which were also free. So Rob built a radiator cover out of pallets just like in our laundry room, and all of the wood that he used was scrap wood or it was free, and then I painted the sides with a matching trim color. Emma also framed some before pictures with some pressed flowers. Emma had several boxes of old records, so she spray painted several of them with gold spray paint. And then we drew some contour line drawings of faces and flowers with some white puff paint that I had left over from a previous Christmas project. And then I stuck them to the wall using command strips to make a headboard. I found these wall decals on Amazon. I will link all of the products we used down in the description box below. I also made a wall decal with my Cricut, and it's a quote that says, "Let me sleep more," and this fits Emma perfectly because if she was allowed to sleep all day, she would. We got some pillows from a thrift store, and her bedding was a birthday gift last year. We got these mirrors from an estate sale and these hooks from a thrift store. Free wood and brackets from another project. We installed some free shelves so Emma could display her candles, some prints, I'll link them down below, some fake plants, and her books. And now for some finishing touches. Here's some of the really old wiring that Rob removed, and here's some footage of him putting in 3 brand new, completely safe outlets. So once again, to jog your memory, here is the room before. We'll show you the final reveal with some beautiful after footage. We hope that you enjoyed, and we'll see you down in the comments below. Bye!
Ooh, looks a lot different than last time. It's pretty. Ooh, I like the accent.
You have plants in your room that you can't kill.
Woo!
They all work.
They do? Ah, that's what I'm excited about. It looks so cool.